Welcome to Advanced Temporary Fencing, where opportunity meets success. Are you ready to join a dynamic team of installation contractors and run your own business?
Hi, we're Advanced Temporary Fencing, a leading provider of hired temporary fencing for building sites, infrastructure projects, events and festivals. And we're on the lookout for new contractors to join our growing team. Here at Advanced, we do things a little differently to other temporary fencing companies.
What sets Advanced apart? Let's break it down for you. No financial outlay to get started. You heard that right? No need to break the bank to get into business for yourself. In-house vehicle leasing. We've got your wheels covered with our vehicle leasing options for installation trucks. Guaranteed ongoing work. Say goodbye to uncertainty. We provide a steady stream of projects to keep you busy.
Being part of the Advanced team means I always have work lined up to keep me and my boys busy. Some days it's certainly a hard day's work, but we have a good time and it keeps you strong. I like the fact that I can run my own team and we get to work on different projects for Advanced every day.
Events and festivals are sometimes a bit challenging, but they're always a ton of fun. We've just finished the V8 Supercar Carnival on the Gold Coast in November. There's camping expos, mining shows, major sporting games, and all kinds of jobs that come through on the run sheet for us to do.
We're invested in your success from day one. Our comprehensive training program ensures you're equipped with the skills to excel. For the right contractors, there are other opportunities to further grow your installation business. We're always on the lookout for talent to grow with us as our product offering grows.
And speaking of growth, we provide full training to run your team and also for your admin processes as an installation contractor. We want you to focus on what you do best, delivering top-notch installations.
We understand the learning curve. To make it easier, you can start on an hourly rate during the initial training phase. Once you're comfortable with the work, we move toward helping you into your installation contractor business.
So, are you ready to take the next step on your journey to being your own boss as an installation contractor for Advanced Temporary Fencing? Join us and be part of a team that values your skills, dedication, and indeed your success. Visit our website at advancedns.com.au/careers to apply and learn more about the available opportunities. Look forward to working with you.